Okay, let's see how you can do the installation of Oracle 26 AI. So first of all, you need to go to the Oracle official website. So you can just search it with download Oracle 26 AI and then scroll it down, open the official website which is from oracle.com. Go to the get started and scroll it down. So if you want to do the installation of Oracle 26 AI, you can do it by using the RPM also. So you can install this RPM on Oracle Linux 8, Oracle Linux 9, Oracle Enterprise Linux 8. You might observe that Oracle Linux 7 is not there. Okay, so what I will do, I'll show you the shortcut way. Now within 2 minutes you can just do the installation. Scroll it down and there is Oracle VirtualBox, and this is something so you can see this is a ready-made setup that you can use. Click on the link to download. I have already done that, so it's coming over here. Now what I will do, I'll just double click. So for that you need to have a Oracle VirtualBox already installed. In my case it's already installed, so double click on it. So this is a ready-made machine which you can use. Click on the settings. What is the name of your machine? It is Oracle 26 AI free. I will not use C drive. I'll go to the other and just create one folder here wherever you have sufficient space available. So I'll just create a folder like Oracle 26 AI VM. Just use any folder where you have around 30-40 GB space is available. Rest of the things are fine. If you want to allocate more memory, you can allocate that. Right now I can see 4 GB memory is allocated. Click on finish. Yes, agree. And now the machine is ready. You have a machine which is along with the server and along with the database also, so you don't need to install anything. This is a ready-made machine. I know that in real-time production environment you need to do the installation from the beginning, and I'll show you how to do that in our class. Don't worry about that. If you don't want to wait, just watch our YouTube channel and it will be done. So right now it is importing the ready-made machine. So let's wait for some time. Maybe I need to cut this video because I just need to wait for a longer time. Meanwhile, I want to tell you something like see, if you are using Oracle 23 AI, then by applying the patch you can directly upgrade your Oracle 23 AI to Oracle 26 AI. Still Oracle 19c is in demand, and most of the project where you will see the Oracle 19c is there because of long-term support. So yeah, if you consider the future, then definitely you should have understanding about the AI technologies also. So don't worry about that. We are going to have a lot of discussion on AI technologies in future also. But I'll tell you one thing, that this is the future, guys. Because we conduct a lot of podcasts and a lot of people we are discussing. So every company is pushing people to have a knowledge about the AI. So one or other day, you need to be habitual with the AI technologies. So it's done now. Let's click on start. I know that I'm making you bored, but just listen me. अगर आपको बुरा भी लग रहा होगा तो सुनना ही पड़ेगा. उसके अलावा हमारे पास में कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. So the machine is getting started. My voice is not good. I got some tonsils, but I just thought like, okay, I should do that. Click on view, click on scale mode, maximize it. Now your machine is getting ready. So it's getting ready very soon. The good thing about the OVA file, which is like, you don't need to do much setup when you want to focus on, especially on technical stuff without wasting the time on setup and all. So this is a good time you can do. So it's coming here. Okay, now I can see there is a user called Oracle and it's getting auto login, I believe. That's good. So I can see the blank screen. Just hold on. Is it a problem? Is it a problem? What do you think? Is it a problem? Since I see the black screen, no, it's not a problem. So you just need to have a patience. Right click. Okay. So the terminal is also getting open automatically. So what I can see here, so I can see some details over here. Fine. What is your Oracle SID name? Free, and this is free PDB1. This is my pluggable database name. All the passwords are Oracle. That's good. What is the username we have? Can I directly run this command? Like if I say SQL plus / as sysdba, I can directly, no. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll say SQL plus SQL plus, what's my username? Let's say HR. What's my password? Oracle. And see, I got connected here. Do we have any table here? If I say select star from EMP, no, we don't have any table called EMP, but that's okay. So I got to know that we can connect like this. We can connect to the database like this. So it's good. Like so what is the port number? 1521. And if I check my pluggable database, show PDBs, do I have access here? I don't have access. Okay, so somewhere, you know, we need to see what all options are available here. As it is unsupported, please note that the appliance is used for testing as it is not supported. Oracle SID, passwords are Oracle. We have a schemas like HR we have already used. Okay, that's nice. What about connect sys / Oracle? Is it possible? You are not longer as a sysdba. So if I say SQL plus sys, password is Oracle. If I say SQL plus sys / Oracle @ as sysdba. Oh, I can see here. Now I got connected by using sysuser. Show PDBs. So this is my pluggable database. So that's all about, you know, how you can start, stop, how to connect to the Oracle 26 AI. And definitely there are many features are there. So we need to see each and every feature. We are going to see that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm here to talk about how you can install the Oracle 26 AI. Okay, you might have questions like Oracle AI database 26 AI release is 23.26. Okay, so if I say select star from v $version, so I can see it's 26 AI only. Okay, so thank you so much. Again, if you are looking for Oracle DBA training, PostgreSQL DBA training, or any other training related to the database, reach out to the Learnomate team. Thank you.